We're making nice progress on this junior penetration tester path. We are on the introduction to web hacking and we've completed almost all of them here. So what's left is a little bit of command injection, so you might want to check out the first video on command injection, and then there's SQL injection. And finally, then we're actually going to go to one of my favorite topics, which is burp suite. Network security also, we're going to address this. I'm not super excited because it talks about Nmap. Vulnerability research, curious to see what this is all about. Metasploit, not really interested about it. And I'm also not really interested in privilege escalation because this is more sort of like a red teaming approach, and I'm mostly into penetration testing and not red teaming. These are slightly different things. So you might want to look at the difference between them if you do not actually know. So let's actually go back. We are on the command injection and I already started it here. I started the machine and also the attack box. We've completed task 1, 2, 3, 4 in the previous video, and then I took the liberty to do the number 6 before I started this video, so I had this one finished, but number 6 is actually the conclusion, a recap of what we've done, how to discover command injection, and you will be wanting to look into the previous video for that, how to test and exploit this vulnerability using payloads designed for different operating systems, how to prevent this vulnerability in an application, and applying your learning by performing command injection in a practical application. Let me make sure that I'm not talking to myself here, but with the intention to actually have some material for you on YouTube. And on that particular note, if you're watching this video, make sure to share it everywhere, because otherwise I'm not motivated to keep on doing more videos like this one, since I don't get anything for that on YouTube. These videos are for free and everyone can watch them at their own desire. As you will have probably discovered, there are multiple payloads that can be used to achieve the same goal. Of course, so if you know Bash, you know that's actually possible. For example, it's in Bash you can do end, or you can do end, or you can do semicolon to actually chain, or to actually allow the subsequent execution of different types of commands. I highly encourage you to go back to the practical element, which is this one that we are on today, and try some alternative methods of retrieving the flag. So this is what we're actually going to do. Thus, deploy the machine attached to this task, which is what I did. Test some payloads on the application hosted on the website. So this is going to be a rather short video because I believe this is pretty easy, but let us not be deceived beforehand. So right now, 3 minutes in, refer to this cheat sheet which I opened here, payload box, if you're stuck or wish to explore some more complex payloads. Find the content of the flag located in home, try hackmeflag.txt. You can use a variety of payloads to achieve this. -L, recommend trying multiple. So find the content of the flag. Cat, let's actually consider this a scenario where we are dealing with a command injection. Let's try semicolon cat home try hack me flag.txt, and as easy as that, what user is the application running as? First off, let's try ID data, and then our flag. So this one, let's actually type it. So thm command injection complete. And with that, we're actually going to go into SQL injection in the next room. So finishing this off.